First sound isolation, part 2. Clock. It's a clock. What is the first sound of clock? Helicopter. It's a helicopter. What is the first sound of helicopter? Needle. It's a needle. What is the first sound of needle? Ant. It's an ant. What is the first sound of ant? Train. It's a train. What is the first sound of train? Ladybird. It's a ladybird. What is the first sound of ladybird? Pig. It's a pig. What is the first sound of pig? Olive. It's an olive. What is the first sound of olive? Vase. It's a vase. What is the first sound of vase? Door. It's a door. What is the first sound of door? Rain. It is rain. What is the first sound of rain? Elbow. It's an elbow. What is the first sound of elbow? Zip. It's a zip. What is the first sound of zip? Iguana. It's an iguana. What's the first sound of iguana? Jam. It is jam. What is the first sound of jam? Cheetah. It's a cheetah. What is the first sound of cheetah? Up. It is up. What is the first sound of up? Watch. It's a watch. What is the first sound of watch? Slide. It's a slide. What is the first sound of slide? Sheep. It's a sheep. What is the first sound of sheep? King. It's a king. What is the first sound of king? Fawn. It's a fawn. What is the first sound of fawn? Goat. It's a goat. What is the first sound of goat? G. Monkey. It's a monkey. What is the first sound of monkey? Bell. It's a bell. What is the first sound of bell? B. Yak. It's a yak. What is the first sound of yak? Y. Thermometer. It's a thermometer. What is the first sound of thermometer? Th.